Hello dear friends, the young canary birds have fledged and are already in the big aviary in the garden. In the two indoor aviaries behind me, there is already another nest and another hen breeding on her eggs, and in the cage right behind me there is a tiny little cute sweet canary hen building a nest. You can probably see her over my shoulder. So, however, in this video I'm going to show you a few pictures about the fledging of the young birds and how their parents have reacted, and a few things that have happened on the way. Watch and enjoy. The young birds are almost 3 weeks old now and fully covered with feathers. In between one can still recognize the baby fuzz that kept them warm during the first weeks, which looks quite funny. The nest is going to be too small soon. The aviary has been cleaned out. Here is the box with the sand and a water bowl, so that they can take sand and water baths. Also the twigs and wooden poles have been cleaned. Here you can see the whole bunch sitting in their nest, curiously looking around. And in the back you can see the yellow and black cockerel sitting on a roost. Here again the 4 siblings and the mother hen on the roost in the back of the aviary. This is the floor, a piece of strong paper that makes it easy to clean the dirt out. Yeah, I just exchange the sheet of paper. I feed the birds through these 2 little doors that are in the main door of the aviary. As soon as I close it, the bird comes because he thinks there's something to eat. If you would like to have tame birds, this is the right age. Yeah, they are still very, very tame. Yeah, they trust you. They enjoy sitting on your warm hand, and you can make them used to human beings. They're also very curious. This little one tries to run away or to fly away. Here it sits on my shirt, and I hope it doesn't crap on it. Don't do that. No, it does not. So back in the aviary, you see the most cheeky bird has already left the nest and is trying to keep balance, which does not always is successful. Sometimes it falls down, but that doesn't matter because it can already fly at least a little bit. So they are very curious, hop around, they bite in everything or pick at everything just to find out what it is. They are just like children, little children that explore their environment. Well, in the front you see nesting material that's always in the aviary, not just to be used as nesting material, but the birds also love to play with it, especially the young ones. So now the light's going to change. There's another light bulb that has been switched on, and another light bulb has been switched off. This one is the light that is a substitute for the sunlight, which is necessary that the bones and the beaks of the birds develop all right. Here the father bird, the canary cock, occasionally looks at the little fledgling, but as it does not beg for food, he flies away, and the three siblings are still sitting on their nest, curiously looking around. Where you can see the brightish yellowish chest of the birds. They are very close to, their appearance is very close to the appearance of wild canary birds that live on the Canary Islands, which have a brown back and a yellowish greenish chest. So this little one here is begging for food and falls down. So number 2 and number 3 have left the nest, the last one, and probably the youngest is still waiting and is looking around. And well, here the whole bunch is out. They keep begging for food, and now it is the task of the cock to feed the young fledglings. The hen is taking a rest. Breeding is a strenuous, exhausting business, and the young birds, as I said, are fed by the cock mainly, and the cock also teaches them how to crack the seeds, how to crack the peel of the seeds, so that by and now they learn to be independent and to eat independently. So he does not always feed them when they're back. Here. This one must be very hungry. He tries to pressurize his dad. That does not react. See? And again it falls down. But sooner or later they have success and will be fed. Let's see if I manage to film it. And well, the cock must first fill its belly, and so that he can well, I don't know what you call it in English, but he throws the food up again and feeds the young ones if he likes. You never know. They are all sitting around waiting to be fed. The young birds are going to be fed another 4 to 5 weeks by their parents, so one must not separate them earlier. So the begging is going to have success now. Here the cock is emptying his crop, and the young fledgling is excitedly wagging with his wings, and his sibling must wait, but not too long. Well, the second little bird is being fed here as well. The other one isn't hungry anymore and is sitting in front of the other 2 birds. Well, meanwhile the hen has built another nest and is sitting already on new eggs, and the whole circle begins anew. If you have liked this little video about my canary birds, if you have enjoyed that little serial, please give me a thumb up. Or if you would like to watch movies about hiking, fishing, nature or animals, you are invited to subscribe to this channel. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.